Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics, grade 4. Our today's lesson, check my progress, page number 917. Please open this page, 917. Use the word bank to complete each sentences. Some words are given. You will use these words to complete the given sentences. First word is acute angle. Second one is angle. After that, degree. Next, obtuse angle. And the last one is right angle. Now number 1, a dash measures 90 degree. Select the correct answer from the given 5 options. 90 degree is a right angle. You know well because a square corner is there. Number 1 is a right angle measures 90 degree. Next number is number 2. An angle is a geometrical shape that is formed when two rays have the same endpoint. This is the definition of angle. You have studied before in our previous lesson. In the given blank, you will write angle. An angle is a geometrical shape that is formed when two rays have same endpoint. They meet at the same endpoint and form an angle. Next number is 3. An acute angle measures greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Angle between the 0 and 90 degree is called acute angle. In the given place, you will write acute angle. This is the answer for the question number 3. After that, we have number 4. The unit used to measure an angle is called a degree. You know that everything have a unit. If you want to buy something, it may be if it is liquid, it is milliliter or liter. If it is solid, it has weight. It may be kilogram, gram. For measuring angle, the unit is degree. In the given space for the question number 4, you will write degree. The unit used to measure an angle is called a degree. Number 5, an obtuse angle measures greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It is the definition of obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Such type of angle is called obtuse angle. Number 5 answer is obtuse angle. Now concept check. Classify each angle as right, acute or obtuse. 3 angles are given and the 3 options are there. We will see the angles and select the correct answer from above 3 options. You can see that in number 6 there is an angle, small angle. It is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. An angle that is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called what? Can you say? Acute angle, right? So answer for the number 6 is acute angle. Next number is 7. An angle is there, a square corner. Square corner is the indication for 90 degree. 90 degree angle is called right angle. in number 7, in the given place we will write right angle. The last one is number 8. You can see the angle, it is bigger than the angle of 6 and angle of 7. In angle 8 it is more than 90 degree. Angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Answer number 8. In the given line you will write obtuse angle, right? Now in homework you will complete this page number 917, questions from 1 to question number 8. You will fill the blanks and you will choose the correct angles from question number 6 to 8. Thank you very much and have a nice day.